These are my sons, Monty and Clifford, trying to figure out a way to put that rim up like we used to do back in the old day, because they want to play some basketball. Look at him. He tearing up the kickboxing thing where you can kick that, you can beat on that, and make your hand a little tough. He tearing it up because he want that rim up. See, he want that rim up. He want to play some ball. I'm going to go out there in a minute. And put that rim up where they can play some ball. Because they broke it in the first place. He got him up there. Clifford got him up there. Look, he happy. He done something himself. He happy. So and it works.